Bonjour à tous. My name is Madame Ugo, your unconventional online friend tutor, in case you're meeting me for the first time. Today we are continuing on the lesson on adjective. Please, I would encourage you to watch our last video lesson if you haven't, just so you can follow up with what we are talking about today. So, still on the topic on adjectives, today we are going to be looking at the adjective old in French. How do we use this adjective? In my previous video, we talked about the adjective of new and how we can use that adjective in French, given the gender of our nouns. And beyond that, I also stated that when we use adjective, especially related to new in French, there are three different news you can actually use as an adjective in French. One, the new that you use when the first letter of a masculine gendered noun starts with a consonant. The new you use when the first letter of a masculine gendered noun is a vowel. And the new you use when the noun that you're talking about in French is a feminine gendered noun. And today we are going to be talking about the adjective old in French. And just like new, old is also both gender sensitive and also sensitive to when the first letter of the noun that you're using it with is a consonant or is a vowel, and especially when it is a masculine gendered noun. So let's get on with it. So the first one we have here, we call old in French, vieux. And this is the adjective for old that we use in French when we are talking about a masculine gendered noun that its first letter is a consonant. So vieux is old, used for first letter consonant for masculine noun in both singular and plural form. Okay? And I'm going to give example. So example, I want to say the old doctor is here. The old doctor is here. In French, I would say le vieux docteur est ici. And if I want to say the old doctors are here, I will say les vieux docteurs sont ici. Now, you will agree with me that the first letter for doctor in French is a consonant, letter D. And this is why we used this old, vieux, for doctor. And in this particular example, example number 2, let me call this number 2 and call this number 1. The noun that we have here is in plural form. And we used exactly the same adjective of old, which is vieux, or V-I-U-X. And in the number 1 example, the doctor here is singular, and we also used vieux. Now, if you haven't watched my lesson 1, I stated that when we have a singular noun in French, that the last spelling letter is X or S or even letter Z. In French, you don't need to add extra S to make them plural. And the same thing is also applicable when you are using an adjective in French. And that is exactly what played out here. So that is why when we say the old doctor is here, we will say le vieux docteur est ici. Nothing changes in the spelling of the adjective for old. And when we make the noun doctor plural in number 2, where we have the old doctors are here, we still use the same vieux, and the sentence becomes les vieux docteurs sont ici. Nothing changes. Now, how about when we have the first letter of our masculine gendered noun as a vowel? If you haven't taken any note, please, you can take a screenshot. All right, so let's look at the usage of vieil. So we use vieil to mean old for masculine, singular, noun that has its first letter as a vowel or letter ash. Remember that letter ash enjoys the privileges of a vowel. All right. So, for example, I want to say, example 1, I am cutting the old tree. I am cutting the old tree. If I want to write, I am cutting the old tree. Old as an adjective that I'm going to be using here is going to be affected by the first letter of tree in French. By the way, we call tree in French l'arbre. L'arbre. Okay? So it is actually arbre, but because we have to put our definite article before we can mention that now, that's why it is l'arbre. If it is a tree, I would say un arbre. If it is the tree, I would say l'arbre. So let's use this and make an example. So I am cutting the old tree. So I am cutting will be je coupe le vieil arbre. Je coupe le vieil arbre. And if I want to say I am cutting the old trees, now I am going to make it plural. So the noun becomes plural. So I am cutting the old trees. The sentence will be je coupe les vieilles arbres. So this will also be plural. I will make my adjective old plural in French to conform with the plural nature of the noun. So this is how we use the adjective old when we are using it to describe a masculine gendered noun that its first letter is a consonant or its first letter is a vowel. So just to recap, for masculine gendered noun with first letter consonant, we use vieux, both in the singular and in the plural. For masculine gendered noun, French word with the first letter as a vowel, we use vieil. And that is what we have demonstrated here. The next example I am going to be showing would be when we use the adjective of old for feminine gendered noun. So, I'm sure someone might be wondering if the rule of first letter consonant or first letter vowel is applicable to feminine gendered noun. The good news is for feminine gendered nouns, we don't have to worry about whether the first letter is a vowel or is a consonant. So you use the same adjective vieil. So vieil means old for feminine gendered noun. Okay? And I will use this both in the singular and in the plural in my examples. So I want to say, the old lady is here. So the old lady is here. I will say, la vieille dame est ici. Meaning the old lady is here. And if I want to make this sentence plural, I will say, the old ladies are here. So the old ladies are here. The old ladies are here. This will be les vieilles dames sont ici. So here I have made my noun plural and my adjective also plural by adding s in front of it. So this is how we use the adjective of old in making correct grammatical expressions in French. In order not to make this lesson too long, I will be stopping here. Please do well to continue to engage with our posts, like what we are doing here, follow, share with your friends and your families so that you can also learn French together. And also comment below some of the examples you have used with the adjective old. In my next lesson, I'm going to be talking about the adjective young, and we take it on and on from there. See you in my next video, and bye for now.